Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. That's the energy I channel. If you're not sure if this reading is for you, I do have another playlist for those who are in separation and no communication. So you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It is not gender specific, it's timeless, and it is only Cancer energy. Okay, and please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My details are below. My specials for November are out on Facebook and Instagram. You can get them there. My links are below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. And please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I will really appreciate your support on that. I want to improve my channel for you, and I can do so when I've reached 1,000 subscribers. And let's see what's happening with you, Cancer. Okay, very interesting energy. You're coming through as the King of Wands here. The King of Wands is a very fire energy. It's very passionate. He's an adventurer. He's non-traditional. He's a very powerful king. He's not easy to commit. He's not easy to make a commitment, this king. He will do so, but only to the Queen of Wands. He's kind of the type of person that runs free. He cannot be tamed and cannot be caged. And he will not commit to anybody unless he finds that one specific queen that can run wild and free with him. This is the energy that I'm picking up. A lot of strong fire energies here. And this is you. You are not easy to just make any kind of a commitment here to your twin flame or soulmate at the moment. You're kind of enjoying, I feel you're kind of enjoying your freedom right now. You have found your passion in life again. You are doing things and exploring life and kind of in this fire energy. You are in this fire energy here, Cancer. And I do believe your twin flame or soulmate has popped up again. They may have made some kind of an offer to you, but you are not just gonna commit. You're not just gonna fall back into their arms and immediately commit here. This connection has defeated you in the past. They defeated you pretty badly. And for quite some time, I feel you were unable to get up. You were paralyzed, you were stabbed in the back, you were in pain, in hurt, and you were kind of just lying there, feeling hopeless and unable to get up and move on. But eventually you did. Eventually you did. With the scar in reverse, you got up and you started living life again. You started getting better, you healed, and now they are returning. And you're kind of going, you know what, my life is pretty good right now. I had a really hard time getting up from this ending or separation or whatever backstabbing happened here in the past. And I'm not just going to make any kind of a commitment right now. I do feel you want them to really prove themselves to you before you are going to actually accept anything. As I said, here's the Tower. There was a massive ending. It was maybe unexpected. You maybe didn't see it coming. It was very explosive. It ripped everything to pieces. You were pretty defeated. But you started rebuilding. You started rebuilding yourself here, Cancer, in a really big way. That's what we do after the Tower. When everything has gone up in flames and there's nothing left, everything is destroyed, there's nowhere else to go but to start to get up and start rebuilding. And then you can rebuild anything you desire the way you want it. And this is what you did. You got up and you started rebuilding yourself in a really powerful way here. I really pick up on that very powerful way that you got up eventually. But I feel like you were lying down for quite a while before you actually got up and started rebuilding. And you not only rebuilt yourself to this powerful king, you started rebuild. You You reach perfection within yourself. You become the Empress. The Empress is the perfect woman. She has embodied all the other queens, all those beautiful aspects of all the other queens. She knows her worth. She's not easy to just settle for anything. She will not accept anything less than what she deserves. She's very stable, very abundant. She's a good provider for herself. She's a great mother figure. She knows how to give and receive love, lead from her heart, but not be controlled by emotions. She is a brilliant communicator. She's honest, she's truthful. She's very powerful. She's a really big leader. And she's beautiful. She's beautiful and she's sexy and she's seductive and she just knows her worth. So the Empress do not chase. She sits pretty and she waits for the Emperor. She will not take anybody else but the Emperor. So if you do not come to the Empress in the right way, she will not accept you. She will cut you out with that Queen of Swords energy. Yeah, you rebirthed yourself. You can see there's a unborn baby here, so that is about fertility. I feel you rebirthed yourself anew here, Cancer, in a really powerful way. Yeah, and you are just filled with fire right now as well. A lot of passion and desire, and I picked that up from the King of Wands as well. Very adventurous, enjoying life. You just love being this Empress. You've really healed yourself, got up and really took control of yourself and your life and everything. And here your twin flame soulmate is coming back, and you are kind of, I'm not gonna say stuck. Okay, Eight of Swords, yes, does mean stuck, but it's a mental prison. But you are not stuck here. Not with this Empress and the King of Wands energy. Is you are kind of putting up a wall here towards your twin flame or soulmate here. I feel like you are putting them in this mental prison. I feel you are the one putting them in this mental prison. You might be overthinking this situation. They've probably offered some kind of a commitment or their love or something, and you are maybe overthinking this. I don't feel you are stuck in your mind. I feel you are making them feel stuck and unable to move things forward right now, because you are in such a powerful energy here. You mentally, with that Queen of Swords, you're not just going to allow anything. You are using your logic and intellect here as well. You're not going to get yourself stuck. This is what it is. You're not going to get yourself stuck in a situation again that you do not want to be. This is where you were, and I feel like the roles are reversing here. They are the ones stuck now, unable to move forward. They are in the mental prison here. You are putting them in that mental prison, overthinking, feeling stuck, unable to move this connection forward with you, because you are so strong in yourself here with this Empress. You're not going to just allow them back in. And yes, I do feel you received an offer here coming from them. They do want to spend time with you. I do also feel this is your energy, so you do want to soak in love. You just want to soak into the energies of love. You really want to spend time with him. You really want to just be carried away by this beautiful journey in love. But you want it in a perfect way. You want it coming from an emperor, not from what you received in the past, yeah. And unless you get it in the same equal, mature way, I do not feel you're gonna just jump and make some kind of an commitment here with this King of Wands. You are gonna you're going to sit pretty until you get what you want and what you deserve, yeah, with this Empress Cancer. As I said again, you do want to spend time with them with a holiday card. You do want to spend time with them. You do want to be with them. You do want to really relax and get away from everything. But again, you are not just going to jump to making any kind of a commitment with this King of Wands if they do not come to you in the perfect way. Alright, and this is what I feel. I'm going to leave it there. Remember to check the description box below, Cancer. My specials are out on Facebook and Instagram. You can get them there. My links are below. And please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It's over here at the bottom somewhere. And help me get to that 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Cancer.